Volkswagen steering column repair work. Wouldn't it be nice if I could have a light that I didn't have to hold? And I can't stand wearing a light on my head. So, what if I had a light that could just go right in front of where I had to work and I didn't have to hold it? And it runs on a Milwaukee M12 battery. And then when you turn it on, and then what if I could just move the light wherever I want? And I was able to still work with both my hands and not worry about the light moving. Huh? Goose-Grip.com. Vacuum suction plate. Mechanics work light.